Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Devanshi Sharma and I'm here to represent Mithas Services and tell you the three main things that will help you grow your Instagram account in 2022. The first thing is content optimization. What does this mean? It basically means using keywords or SEO optimized words in your content, your captions, your stories, your creatives, and your hashtags. The second thing is using the right audience and knowing the ideal person who you are talking to. Let's say that you have a fashion brand. Who is it that you are reaching out to? Who is it that you are creating your content for becomes a very important pointer. Keep in mind that your ideal audience will help you grow multifolds this year. The third thing is Reels. We've all seen the power of Reels and how addictive it is. One myth that I see in a lot of creators and people out there is that create content with all the dance, bling, chamak, dhamak. Well, you don't really need to be a dancer or a singer to go viral on Reels. All you need to do is give value-based content to your followers. Let's say that if you have a fashion brand, tell people how to be more, fashionable when they are going out. If you have an architectural brand, show them the behind the scenes. If you have a brand related to writing, tell them what are the things that they need to do while writing. This was a small video telling you about the three main things to grow on Instagram in 2022. If you want to know more about such small little tips for free, subscribe to our channel right away.